don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a beauty guru. Hey guys, what's up? Oh, I think I just spit. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I don't even think it's a tutorial. Basically, I got a lot of makeup for Christmas and I just kind of wanted to try it out, and I'm just gonna kind of incorporate it into my regular makeup routine. Typically, it takes me like a short amount of time to get ready, but I feel like being pretty extra today, so we'll see what happens. Anyways, let's get on with it. So I'm using, I don't even have autofocus. Oh, do I? We are going to be using the Pure Lease moisturizer, just like the best moisturizer I've ever used because it's specifically for Asian skin, which I love because, oh my gosh, a baby is unhappy outside. Do you guys hear that? Oh my god, poor child. Oh my goodness, it sounds like a cat. So next up we have the Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. I don't even know if it really does anything. I know it makes my skin like a little bit more sparkly. I really don't know if primers are like even good or if it's just like a hoax, but whatever. Just throw it on. We're going in with, oh gosh, this is like so old I don't even know what it is anymore. I know it's by Maybelline. Something Age Rewind, Age Recall, something like that. But you literally use this for underneath my eyelids so that I can hide the eye bags from lack of sleep, because that is what you do when you're an adult. Well, actually that is what you don't do, which is sleep, because you're too busy paying for your bills. Oh, and I do like an upside down triangle because that's what the beauty gurus say to do. So thanks for teaching me that. Ooh, yes, I can already see. It's looking good. Back here with the foundation by Tarte. It's the Amazonian clay. I just realized this is like the best thing for my skin. And I use this like little dabber, whatever it's called, and I just kind of blot it on. Yeah, and the reason, honestly, I like half use this and then I'll go in with my beauty blender, but I like to use this like dabber first because it uses less product, and this stuff is not freaking cheap. It is like $40 and I've been through how many already, so I kind of just go like that, kind of spread it evenly, and then once the product is gone, then I'll put in my beauty blender and just dab, 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 dab. This is like my favorite foundation. I don't think I'm ever gonna stray away from it just because it's been like fairly good to my skin. I don't really like break out too much, and it's like light to medium coverage. I don't like doing like too much coverage because then I look like a cake face, and I'm just not really into that trend. So yeah, this is like the most kind of somewhat natural for me. This is one of the items that I got for Christmas. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This thing has been on the market forever, and I've always kind of wanted to try it, but it's so pricey. So my girlfriend Vanessa, you guys have probably met her if you are an OG subscriber, she gifted this to me, and I'm just trying to figure out, I'm still playing around with it because she got me like a really light color, so I'm just trying to see if it's like really the right color or if I need to go a little bit darker. If you do recall, I got my brows microbladed, so I don't really take too long on my brows. Yeah, I think this will do. But what do you guys think? Because I really don't know if this is like my color or not. I partly feel like this is a little too light. I don't know if it's even catching on camera. I don't know, maybe one shade darker. What do you think? Did that even do anything? Can you guys even tell? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a beauty guru. Maybe I'm just not used to it, but I'm just gonna put like a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm putting eyeshadow on my eyebrows. I don't know, I just really like the color on here, so I'm just gonna go for it. I feel like I always have to hold my breath when I put on makeup because I need it to be like perfectly straight. Oh my gosh. They're not supposed to be twin sisters. They're just supposed to be best friends. That's what the brow lady told me, and I think they're not even friends at this point, but actually no, yeah, they look like arch enemies. That's the best I can do today. Honestly, just fluff it out. If you're like lost, fluff it out and it looks like freaking Cara Delevingne. There you go, Asian Cara Delevingne right here. Alright, I'm so excited. I've never even owned a naked palette before, so this is my unboxing. I got it from my girlfriend Clarice. Shout out to Clarice and Tita Malai. Yes, hello Tita. I'm shouting you out on this channel. Are these instructions? Because I need that. Perfect, not directions. Okay, I'm just gonna have to wing it. Oh, wow. Wow, unboxing. Hi guys. Oh my god, you can see my messy room. Don't look anymore. It comes with a brush for, you know, fleeky eyes. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. These are so beautiful. I'm going to use this for my entire life. What look do I want to go for? I don't know, natural? That's like all I can do. I'm going to use my finger on 13, that's the name of it. Whoa, oh my gosh, that payoff with the makeup folk. It means that it pays off really nicely when you put it on your face. So good, right? I think I'm gonna go in with, I don't know, whiskey, because I haven't drank in a while, so this is the only whiskey I'll be having this week. Oh shoot, I used the wrong brush. This is a blendy. Ah! I knew this. Ah! Okay, whatever. Oh shoot, I didn't use whiskey. I used this thing called password. Okay, whatever. We're not having whiskey at all this week then. I have false eyelash extensions, so that's kind of what is my saving grace right now. Wow, this payoff is so good. Blend it as much as I can because I learned key is always to just blend away. Blend your life away. Oh! Wow, that's dark. I hope I look good. It's not like I'm doing anything tonight, so. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I literally have always wanted a naked palette my entire life. Gosh, I should be a beauty guru already. Honestly. I think that's good. Like, it looks even. Yeah, alright, moving on. So I said I wanted to be extra today, so I'm going to put on eyeliner for once. This is by NYX, a matte liquid liner. I'm going to give myself a pretty little cat. So eyeliner is always the trickiest for me because I feel like I have to hold my breath. I already said that, but it's true. I hold my breath a lot when I'm putting on makeup. Okay. Oh my gosh. I need to like hold my lashes down. Ooh, how does it look? Oh, I should do a lip. Since I'm going to be extra, why not? Red lipstick is always the hardest. Oh my god. By the way, this is by Real Her. I love that brand. Oh gosh, it's already matte. That's great. This is such a good lipstick. Okay, great. Alrighty, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me makeup whatever it was. Thanks for getting ready with me as I do nothing tonight. So this is my doing nothing look. That totally makes sense, right? Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!